Dawg. Just saw a video of a new attachment we got out. This is our rotary implement attachment. We call it the Model 300. Basically, it hooks to a 3-point hitch of the tractor. It comes standard with an aerator, a straight blade, and a landscape rake. They're all balanced. You can rotate them by hand, switch attachments out. It's kind of like in fabrication, we call it a tool changer. This is an implement changer. It's going to switch implements. But it also is real compact, real close to the tractor. Allows you to carry 3 implements with you at all times. So if you're going to do a job, you don't have to load up 3 different pieces of equipment. You just hook this up in the tractor. If you want to leave it at the farm, it can stay hooked up all the time. You're able to do a lot of different things at one time. It's also designed that each attachment bolts and unbolts grade 8 bolts. We'll be able to, we're going to come out with different attachments to go on this later. But it's all balanced. These guys are going to pull the pins. It's all, they're going to show you how to pull the pins and show you how balanced this thing is. Basically, you've got a hitch pin on both sides, standard hitch pin. You can buy these anywhere. They come with it. This unit is balanced. You can turn it with your fingertips. Rotates around. Every implement also works a lot better because of weight. This aerator, we don't even run water in it. The video you seen running, we didn't even have water in the aerator. We landscape rake the ground. If you notice, you've seen how much pressure the landscape rake puts on the ground. You run a regular landscape rake, it's like a straight blade. It wants to bounce across the surface. With this implement, at all times, you got the weight of 2 implements pushed down, which makes all 3 of these work better. Your aerator, you've always got the option of putting water in it if you want to, but it penetrates the ground good the way it is. Landscape rake, you don't have to worry about it jumping over small twigs and stuff like that. It'll rake pine straw, does all that. Also, our landscape rake, once it's in the down position, it and the straight blade both, you can adjust them to different angles, just like you would if you bought this by itself. Everything just pins right together just like a normal implement, except it's all on one. And then you've got your straight blade and your aerator. All this stuff is balanced, and it makes all 3 attachments work better because of weight. Now that you got this downforce on it, it works a lot better. And we want to get this out on the market. This is the basic standard one. Once this one's out, we'll have different implements, food plot attachments, different attachments you'll be able to buy a lot cheaper than buying the whole 3-point hitch in this. You'll simply unfold them and bolt them back in place where this is. They'll be balanced just like this one is. Hope you enjoyed that video.